You can make a delicious shiny chicken noodle dish with the spaghetti that you have in your cupboard. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the chicken. Cut the chicken breast into slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, a good pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. Let it sit while preparing the other ingredients. Now prepare the sauce. Put in a bowl a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Combine. Then cut 2 carrots into thin slices, half pepper into chunks, 200 grams of mushrooms, 10 grams of cilantro and 2 spring onions into sections. Two onions into pieces. And chop 4 garlic cloves. Now start cooking. Cook 350 grams of spaghetti in boiling water with 1 teaspoon of salt. The cooking time is 9 minutes, as indicated on the package. Drain them. In a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of oil. When it's hot, put the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When the garlic starts to be golden, put the pieces of marinated chicken. Spread them well. Leave them cook for 1 minute. Flip them and leave another 30 seconds. Stir and add the carrots. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the onion and the mushrooms. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the pepper, briefly stir. Add the spaghetti and the sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Finally, add the cilantro and the spring onion. Briefly stir and cut the fine. Bon appétit! Brighten up your meals with this preparation that mixes the West and Asia. I advise you to enjoy the dish using chopsticks. It's much better. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.